Hi guys, welcome back, and it's another important video in our channel 7, and it's about a steam vaporizer from Dr. Health Plus, and it's 4-in-1 steam inhaler. We can use it for our wellness and also for beauty. So it have lots of health benefits. So we're going to see everything in the video. Already we saw lots of sanitizer videos and face mask 95 videos. So please watch all the videos by check check description below. Check first one for more details. Now we enter into the review. See, first we see the small unboxing. Later we see the full review about the product. See, its name was Dr. Health Plus 4-in-1 Steam Inhaler from Nivea. It's one of the best product in Flipkart. Topmost product. I put a product link in the check description for more details. See, this actual packing. Cost was $465 from Flipkart. See, Dr. Health Plus 3-in-1 Steam Inhaler from Nivea for cold and wellness. 4-in-1. They mentioned 3-in-1 in the box, but they stick to 4-in-1. Okay, we see inside they have product 4 parts or 3 products. See, use tap water only, no RO or filter water. It's the main thing, important thing. And see, especially for health benefits. See, cold and it's useful for lots of health problems. But if you are already having any tablets, please contact your family doctor before using the product. It's more important. And see, these are the health benefits and wellness benefits. See, for beauty, facial steam bath, clear pores and skin glow, removal makeup and lots of things for beauty and for pedicure purposes, softening nails and more. And see, for men, softness beard for smooth, clean shave. These are the beauty purposes. They provide important parts inside the box. See, for health, common cold, cough, stuffy nose, headache, sinus or more you can use. And see, and for as per physician advice. And see, balm effect, strained muscles, strained joints and stiff joints. And see, and useful for aromatherapy and ayurvedic treatments. You get lots of health benefits. See, for cold, everything. See, all the doctors recommending the advice. See, the steaming was following from the olden days, and all doctors are recommending the steam. And see, the mentioning 1 meter length cord length and 100% plastic will prevent shocks. These are the important things. So please check your home earth connection before using the product, because we are using water. See, they're not giving new product, but still it was not too old, still good. 540, a for 465. Okay, see, on the other side is the only important thing. We can able to heat its milk bottle. See the instruction: switch off, remove plug after use. See, bottle warmer also provided, they given inside. Okay, we check later in the video. See, switch off, remove the plug after use, add water to the maximum level marker, attach requirement attachment at the top, and the plug and switch on. Please add water during the switch off situation. After that, please switch on. See, only for indoor use. For alert supervision, keep it unit straight while using. Do dry when not in use. Add water to the unit only when switched off condition. Avoid electric shock and electric risk. So it's a electronic product. 1 meter wire they provided. Okay, now we open the box. See, it's a small box. They kept everything inside the small box, and it comes a pink color. I bought. They provided blue. Someone got. I saw in the review page somebody got brown color, blue color, pink color. I got pink. I got pink. See, they kept inside everything in the vessel cup. And see, the color looks good. See, it's one of the two parts in the top. The one was for nose, and I think it's for nose. So 2 part, and see, I don't know why they provide the ring. Still, I don't know. See, it's the actual machine heater. And one more part was inside the heater. We see later. See, this is the facial cup. It's very useful for steaming the full face, vaporizing. And see, the plastic quality looks really good. First of all, I worried about the plastic quality, but they give a very good plastic quality product. The quality of the plastic was really good. See, slightly bulged, but quality was flexible and really good plastic. Don't need to worry. First 2 steaming, I got plastic smell. After that, it was clear. See, the wire also good. but I need 5 feet wire. They provided 1 meter 3 feet wire. That's not long enough, but still the plastic quality and the wire quality was really good, so don't need to worry. Slowly you can buy the product, and the heating was within a second it starts steaming. So the best thing about the product, see more important, don't unscrew it without any supervision. See, it's another part. It's the fourth one. Already we got three, one big cup and two small cups here, and third one. And see the water filler. Here we need going to fill the water, only tap water. See water level. They are not provide maximum minimum level. Just they provide the water level. You can add water up to the water level according to your use. For the plastic quality, fine quality, they provide handle also. The plastic quality fine. Heating us within a second once we switch on. So good quality product. They provide 4 things as per they said. The 4-in-1, not 3-in-1. They provide 4. Very useful for facial or anything, removing your makeup, or for your wellness, for headache, sinus, everything you can use. It's a very good product from Dr. Plus Nubia. See, this part is more important. Add water to the cup and fix the particular product what you want. See, I'm going to fix this. For no salon, you can fix this. I explained everything in a separate video. How to use this steam inhaler step by step in a separate video. Please watch the video by check card above, check description. See, this milk bottle warmer. So it is very useful for every home, every person, and it's a full facial warmer, I think. See, the plastic quality really fine, no doubt. It's a wonderful product. Please check the description, you can get an idea. See, I don't know why they provide the ring, still I don't know, but okay, this part is more important. Please switch off before adding water to the product. As per the mention, 4-in-1, they provide 4 things. See, I don't know about the ring, but still 1, 2, 3, 4 products they provided, and vaporizer also really good condition. So good product from Nivea Dr. Health Plus. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I reply in 6 hours. Thank you. Thank you so much.